Let's face it, as social creatures, we are hardwired to gossip. And for a long time, gossip has played an important role in human evolution and social interactions. Because to survive in small-scale societies and promote cooperation and build trust, being aware of people around you have always been necessary. Who had powerful friends? Who had limited resources? And who might stab you in the back when times get tough? Like it or not, we tend to think of gossip as a negative behavior, and it does get a bad reputation if we are looking down from a high moral ground. Even if you deny being a gossiper, you must have gossip for both good and bad reasons without even realizing it. Maybe it was to keep your friend from getting into bad relationship, or maybe it was to seek vengeance on someone who stole credit for the work you did. So is this truly a bad behavior, or we are just looking at it from only one perspective? According to a study conducted in 2019 by a group of psychologists where 467 adults wore electronic recorders over the course of 2 to 5 days. The research team listened to the audio files of all those conversations as well as anything else labeled gossip during that time period. They classified the conversation as either positive, negative, or neutral. The data revealed that almost everyone in the study gossiped, with only 34 people out of 467 not gossiping at all. The majority of the gossip in the study was neither positive nor negative, with 75% classified as neutral. So even though women gossiped more than men, men and women shared a similar amount of negative and positive gossip. Additionally, extroverted people gossip more than introverted people. So when you ask why people gossip, the answer is gossip is emotionally rewarding. It provides people with sense of power. If you look at the research done by Stanford University, it claims that many gossipers have both positive and emotional motivations. Similarly, people commonly change their behavior when they are the target of gossip for behaving in an untrustworthy manner. Finally, the research proves that gossiping is an important skill for maintaining social order, because gossip helps people to know who to avoid and who not to trust. Because some people use this skill to seek attention. Some use this skill to bond with people so they can feel like they are part of a group. And some use it to bring someone down because they are envious and threatened. Even though the data was limited to one group of people, it was discovered that gossip is about communicating information about the world we live in. And most of us do it. What makes gossip good, bad, or neutral is how we use this information, not the content of the news itself. And therefore, gossiping is a social skill, and how we use it is up to us.